So today I'm going to be making my blaze sword. You guys can get this sword at Dollar Tree around Halloween time. So first I'm going to be putting a piece of a popsicle stick on it. It's going to hold the light on. Just so you know, I'm going to be changing this design later on. I realized that if I put the light on the blue marker, it gives it that UV light look. So first, I'm going to be putting some hot glue on top of the sword piece, and then it's going to let the light shine through. And also, I'm going to cover it with some blue marker to give it that nice UV light look. I'm going to be securing this crack with some hot glue. The light should be pointed on the side, just like that, so it goes on to the marker. Now I'm going to be putting the hot glue on the sides of the sword. This is how it should look when you're done. Now I'm going to be coloring it with the marker. For this, I'm going to be using Sharpies. So now it gives it that UV light look. So now I have the Sharpie, and I'm going to demonstrate how I colored the other side by coloring the second side. Now I'm going to be gluing two of these lights onto the sides. To get the light to point onto the sides, I'm going to place a piece of foam to tilt the light. So now it's done. Like, subscribe, and go check out my Instagram page, Prestyn Creates.